Prime Minister De Croo, President Van Rompuy, Rector Mogherini, Mayor, Governor, Excellencies, guests, fellow students. Thank you for being with us today, Prime Minister De Croo, and for sharing with us this special moment at the official opening ceremony of our academic year. We're very thankful to be able to represent the students' voice here. Il y a maintenant presque 2 mois, nous sommes arrivés au Collège d'Europe pleins de doutes, d'incertitudes et en même temps pleins d'espoir de trouver un nouveau foyer. Et oui, nous disons foyer parce que même si ce n'est que le début de notre voyage ensemble, nous avons déjà partagé tant de moments privilégiés. De résidence en résidence chaque samedi soir, au détour de conversations passionnées à la cantine, nous avons puisé dans nos différences pour tisser ensemble les liens d'une grande famille. Plus de 40 nationalités différentes, unies par des instants uniques que l'on oublie pourtant parfois de savourer. Plongés dans un rythme effréné, nous voulions aujourd'hui prendre le temps de se rappeler de profiter pleinement de chacun de ces instants pour nous enrichir et d'apprendre à regarder le monde sans conformisme. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we're moving into a post-pandemic world of inequality. This will be a challenge for our generation as we try to build a fairer world. We're privileged to be here at the college. Let us turn that privilege into responsibility. As young people, we're often confronted with the comment that we take the European project for granted. As College of Europe students, let us say loud and clear that we are strong in our belief for change. Let no one doubt our ambitions and goals in the defense of a greener, more feminist, more ethical Europe. Our generation and future generations will depend on us for taking care of social values and for defending the values which unite Europe. Those same values that we have brought and reinforced here in the college. Only with these values that we know and share as l'esprit du collège, we will be able to build the European project that we aim for tomorrow.
L'Europe est une somme de succès qui nous ont été laissés en héritage par nos parents et nos grands-parents. Ils ont été rendus possibles par leur travail quotidien, leur désir de paix et l'espoir que leurs enfants connaissent la prospérité. Our generation faces different challenges, but challenges nonetheless. Throughout the past years, our generation has shown great perseverance. It has not been easy. Dear Excellencies, 2022 will be the European Year of Youth. We are here and we are ready. We want more opportunities to voice our opinions to actively help shape the future of Europe. We need ambitious climate action starting from next week at the COP26. We need to fight disinformation to protect our democracies against the resurgence of nationalistic egoism and populism. We need to protect and include every single European, no matter what. And because we live in an interdependent and interconnected world, we, college students, shall strive for a Europe that takes up a strong role in the world. Trust us, involve us, and we will proudly carry the European torch everywhere we go. Dear fellow students, regardez autour de vous. C'est ici que, jour après jour, la paix, la démocratie et la prospérité, préservées par 70 ans d'existence de l'Union européenne, trouvent leur traduction dans la réalité. On représente la richesse de la diversité des origines, des langues, des cultures et des idées qui composent l'Union. Let us stay united, keep debating, keep learning and keep evolving throughout our academic year. Let us find inspiration in the accomplishments of a woman of conviction, our patronne de promotion, Eliane Vogel-Polsky. We can learn from her that we must always choose collaboration over isolation. We have the power to shape our continent's destiny. We all feel the enormous privilege that it is to be at the College of Europe in our new home, the beautiful city of Bruges. We have a year ahead of us, so let's make every day count. After all, we are the new generation of Europeans, and together, we have no doubt we will rise to every single challenge. Thank you, and long live Europe.